My name is Marcus Guerrero. I'm a service technician at Martin, Michigan. I'm a Vermeer Certified Technician. Today we're going to be going over resetting the maintenance interval hours on the Yanmar excavators. So for starters, we're going to turn the key on. Here on the display you have a menu button. You're going to hit the menu button. We have our arrow buttons right here. We're going to scroll over to the wrench, and then we're going to go to the first highlighted column there, and then here it shows us all the PMs within the machine's ECU. So if we click on it, we're highlighted over to the current hours on this service, and if we hit the R, it's going to reset that to 0, and then we just hit enter, and then we just reset the current hours on that service to 0, and then the hours over here, the 250 hours, is just indicating when that alarm is going to go off.